How to turn off Twitter read receipts. So all you have to do is to go here to your Twitter application directly, right? But here it will lead you to your homepage where you can see all the posts that you can see. Now, what you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there, right? You will see homepage, search bar, this icon here, Twitter Spaces, notification, and then the messages here. So you have to tap on the messages icon there, and then on the upper right, you'll see the gear icon there, the settings. Tap on that, and here it will look like this. Now, what you want to do is to tap on under the message settings here. You will see options such as allow message requests from everyone, filter low quality messages, and then show read receipts. And as you can see, it's toggled on. So this will let people you're messaging with know that you've seen their messages. So read receipts are not shown on message requests. So if you toggle that off, then people you're messaging will not know when you've seen their messages, and tap on done there. And basically, that is how you turn off Twitter read receipts. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.